Hey guys, so today we are doing some coconut flour cookies, keto approved. I saw the video on, he's eating a cookie right now. They both liked it. I saw the video on TikTok of a girl making these cookies. I topped it off with cinnamon and sugar, the LAKANTO sugar. And I'm not a baker. I don't bake at all. I only bake like box baking stuff. So I'm gonna do more than a few things wrong on here, I'm sure, but this is what we're making. So we're gonna start off with 1 butter stick and 1 ounce of cream cheese. And we're gonna add a little bit of sour cream. We're gonna mix it all up. It's a little difficult because the butter is a little hard, but I just got in there and just keep mushing it up. I'm adding monk fruit sweetener now. I'm gonna crack 3 eggs, and then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, mix it all up. If it looks like puke, girl, that's what we're looking for. So just keep mixing and mixing, and then we're gonna add the coconut flour. You can see me here adding it. And now some more mixing. So you're just gonna lay them on parchment paper, and I put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. I wanted to make sure they weren't gonna crumble up. So now let's go ahead and try it.
Stop.
So actually really good. It does taste like coconut, of course. And I think maybe I could have gotten away with putting less sugar. It's a little too salty for me, but the kids liked it, obviously.
I love sugar.
Do you like sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not a sweets person, but for those times that I'm craving sugar or dessert, it's perfect.